What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron, and today's quick tutorial is on the symbol map. So let's jump right into it. We're going to go to the sample superstore. Let's double click state. I want to change this map, so let's go to map layers. Instead of the light map, let's go to the normal map. We can close this out. But what we want to plot now is how many customers there are per state. So let's go ahead and right click customer name, create calculated field. And we want to just count the customers. So once we do that, let's give it a meaningful name. Call it customers, hit OK. Then we'll take customers, we'll drop that on label, grab customer again, drop that on size. Let's go ahead and hit size, increase the size a little bit. And then we're going to change it from this automatic circle to a shape. And then we're going to click shape, more shapes, gender, and we're going to pick the gender neutral symbol. Hit OK. There you have it. Now you can see that California has the most customers. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on symbol maps.